I'm aware that you've heard all of this and more. I know I ain't the first man in love to talk in your door, and I don't pretend to know one romantic line that ain't been said before. And maybe you're thinking these are just words to be suspicious of. In a world with too many love songs and not enough love. But honey, look into my eyes and I think you know who you can really trust. 'Cause when I tell you I love you, I mean exactly what I say. And just because I want you, baby, don't mean I want you to change. And I could hold you forever, but I won't ever hold you down. And baby, wherever you are now, that's where my heart will be found. I ain't a rich man, and I don't aspire to be, and I'll never have no power as great as the power you got over me. And I'll never be so clever that I could make real words do justice to the way you make me feel. But if you want passion, well, I got more than enough. And if you want a dream come true, well, I'll give you all you're dreaming of. And if you just can't find the faith, I'll be strong enough for the both of us. 'Cause when I tell you I love you, I mean exactly what I say.